Hello friends, in today's video we are going to draw with the letter E. We are going to draw an engine with the letter E. First we are going to write a big E, then we are going to join the lines. We are going to draw a rectangle on the other side of the engine. We are going to draw an oval, draw circles and some inner circles that will looks like a wheel. Draw two in one box and two in other box. Okay, now we are going to draw a chimney. For this we are going to draw two lines and a rectangle on the other side, and then we are going to draw clouds to show the smoke of the engine. See, our engine is ready. We are going to color it now. You can color it with your desired colors. I am going to color it with different colors of my choice. Engine is very important part of a train. It helps to work the train. You know, train used to travel from one place to another place. It is a mean of transportation. It goes very fast from one place to another place. We use train to travel from one place to another. Train carries lots and lots of passengers at the same time. It is convenient and a cheap way of transportation. To avoid air pollution, try to travel on train always. It's economical for us and also a cheapest way to transportation. With this, our train is almost completed. I use green, red, orange and blue for my train, and now it's time to color in a smoke. Smokes look like gray and black. Our drawing is ready. Hope you find it very easy. Keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.